funny. Look, arms by my side.
All-time clip.
Also, how funny was all the audio when me and Dawson and Dumpy finished surfing the other day and we're just like rambling.
Yeah. That was sick. Are you kidding? not a barrel session, man. This is an air session. Stop using barrels and start doing airs. Oh, here we go. What? He even got clipped. What? He got clipped and he's still pulling. Let's go. I'm gonna press the button. Joins it for Joshua, Brad. Why didn't you stick with that? No! Ducks! Oh, that was sick! No. No. Oh, and my battery's dying. My battery is dying right now.
What is up, you guys? This is a very messy YouTube video as far as I'm concerned. Because y'all know I like to have things kind of polished off and organized and whatnot, but yeah, I mainly just wanted to finally get some of that last March footage out, the swell from the end of March footage out to you guys, and move on into the spring stuff. Although it's June, so we're far beyond spring. But here's the deal. My family and I are in Singapore right now, and in a couple days we will be heading to Macaroni Surf Resort in the Mentawais for 2 weeks. And this trip opportunity basically just fell into my lap, and I'm getting to take my family on like a once in a lifetime kind of opportunity adventure. And so we're in Singapore for like 5 days, go to Indo. And what I'm trying to do while we're in Singapore is, one, enjoy the mess out of it with them and adventure and see things that, you know, I've never seen. And my kids have never been out of the country. My wife hasn't been out of the country in 15 years. And our family's never done a trip like this. So enjoy that. But also, I was working on the plane, and I'm going to work in our downtimes while everyone's chilling because we're just so off time change wise, and dump all of the spring footage, whether they're raw edits, one-day edits, cuts to music like this, little vlogs, whatever. But get everything out to y'all in the next week, or schedule the post for the next 2 weeks. And then get to documenting the whole Indo trip. I'm gonna make a basically travel video in our trip to Singapore here, and then start the videos and macaronis in whatever fashion they are, whether they're GoPro videos or we should be getting footage from the videographers there at the resort. Mason and I are going to get to surf macaronis. There's so much going on. There's so much going on in the last 2 weeks, and I feel like I've done a terrible job keeping you on the loop. But life has been moving really fast, and that's one thing I'm realizing, that with the older kids now, yeah, it's just hard to keep up with the videos. But it's been good. It was good spring. Tons of waves in May. Tons of fish in April. Like you can see me, it's like a inception in the mirrors. And all is good. We're on the trip of a lifetime. I'm gonna try and get these videos out to y'all while everyone's resting or napping or sleeping. Yeah, it's just gonna be some crazy content coming in the next 2 months as all this rolls out. So welcome aboard the journey. Stay tuned for all the videos coming from this spring over the next 2 weeks. And then I'll see you guys in the Mentawais.